Welcome to Homework Lib.
A quadrilateral is circumscribed about a circle, and this quadrilateral has these given angle measurements. Our job is to find the measures of the four non-overlapping arcs determined by the points of tangency. Now, I'm going to draw in these 4 points of tangency so it's a little easier for us to see things. Here they are. I'm also going to draw some radii in. And also put in some right angles. I really want to use this given information about the points of tangency. Okay, now that I have that, we can go ahead and take a look at what we're actually trying to find. We're trying to find the measures of the arcs, so the arcs between these points of tangency. One of them is actually right here, this one right here. So it's between these 2 points of tangency. There is actually a really good theorem that will help us here. And it's the fact that the central angle and this arc measure is going to be the same. So in other words, this and this, we're going to have the same measurement. Now, if you pay close attention, what I actually created here by drawing in these dotted lines is I did create a even smaller quadrilateral. So I have a quadrilateral where basically we have 4 measurements, one of which is unknown. We have x in the middle, we have a 90-degree angle, we have another 90-degree angle, and then we have this 94-degree angle. So altogether, the degrees of a quadrilateral, they should add up to 360. So what we can do is create an equation, and then we can solve for x. So here's that equation. We can start solving this equation. I'm doing things in a very particular way because I want to show you something interesting, which will make finding all the other measurements a lot quicker. 90 plus 90 is 180. And if I subtract 180 from both sides of the equation, I'm going to have x plus 94 equals 180. Now, what's really nice about this is now we know that x and 94 are actually supplementary of each other because they add up to 180. So of course, all we need to do now is subtract the 94 from the 180 and we get our answer. But what's actually really nice is we can, again, make this more generic observation that we can use for the other ones as well. So here it is. Pretty much the measure of the arc that we're looking for and the given information, they're supplementary. So all we need to do is take that 90 degrees, that 96 degrees, and that 80 degrees that were given to us, and then just subtract each of those from 180. Voila, something like this. So that's a simple enough calculation to do for all three. Just do the subtraction. And here are our answers. All 4 answers, 86 degrees, 90 degrees, 100 degrees, and then 84 degrees. So just by making that simple observation for one of them, we are able to find all 4 of them.